to roar, are you? Let's joke darkness, awareness. Awareness! Why you join staring at the elephants and they start to roar? Okay, let's go stop. These elephants. Hey, perfect. Who's perfect? So here's Mama said to get ready for evil. For you already. Just for the first one. Yeah? And this fish. It's cool. Okay, you can touch them. See, gentle. Gentle. Wait. Eagle! Oh, elephant. Are you the mommy? Are you the mommy? Yeah, are you the mommy? Yeah. Okay, elephants. Get this match out! Arriba! Okay. Legal scene. What's the secret? Hey, he's crazy hard. Look at my head. Shh. Yeah. Okay, go. Okay, you can help that out. Okay. Remember this on rubber mattresses? I have to go pee. That's right. But I know. This restaurant, it's freaking awesome. So they're not annoying me, it's just annoying anymore. Sorry about that. Hope you watch. Hope you watch. YouTube channel. Oh, shut. It's kind of the baby shit. I want to read which restaurant. But it is a restaurant, son. But I don't know. Okay. This is rainforest. That's good. Look at me, how's my head? Out of my head! Let me see those hands. I smell them. It smells good. Okay. It's really awesome. Okay, I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, I'll go to the magic trick store. I'll show you. Sorry, he's in the store. Hi. Okay, let's go some quiet. Some quiet. I should have learned. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, that. Look at that. To-do list. Okay, one more time! Let's go! Okay, let's do this. Yeah, spin one more time. Whoa! You whisper in my ear to 3 seconds.
We'll go loud now, okay?
Final man! Yes! Okay, Mom, I'll close the video. Okay. Should I take that? What's up is freaking Elvis. What to do next? Look at people. Yeah. Okay, guys, I gotta go to Legoland to build something. It's a new place. Okay. Okay, guys, I gotta go to Legoland. Yes. Thanks for watching. Go to watch my first. First, I see you. Please subscribe.